Hi, I'm John from Launch. This is Coach Jenny. We're going to go over with you what the squat sky reach with thoracic rotation stretch looks like. This is great if you have a lot of tightness in your back lately, especially if you've been sitting still for a long time. I want you to get in a comfortable stance with position, squat down so that your hands touch the floor or your shoes, and then I want you to reach one hand up to the ceiling, up to the sky, and look up to that hand. Hold there for one deep breath, one full inhale, one full exhale, and then plant that hand back down and switch sides. When you go to reach up, you're looking up to that hand so you get a stretch in your neck, and while you're holding it there, you'll feel a good stretch through the back, here in the mid-back thoracic spine. And now if you have a little bit of a mobility issue and you're like, I can't squat that low, then I want you to grab a chair, sit here on that chair, and then I want you to reach down to the floor and do the same thing. Touch your shoes, reach one hand up to the ceiling, full breath in, full exhale, and then switch hands, full breath in, full exhale. Don't switch sides until you've completely exhaled all the way, because you want to get the stretch on a full expanded rib cage and a full collapsed rib cage. That is the squat sky reach with thoracic rotation.